Hey everyone, this is Bob McIntosh again from MarineMax in beautiful Naples, Florida. And today do I have a treat for you. A 2019 Boston Whaler 42 Outrage powered by quad Mercury 400 racing motors. This is going to be a lot of fun. So before we start off here on our 42 Outrage, I really want to drive home the fact that this boat is a little bit of everything. It's a Swiss Army knife, so to speak. It fishes well, it cruises well, it entertains well, it travels well. There truly isn't much that the 42 Outrage can't do. And I always like to start in the aft cockpit because it is huge. We have a 13-foot beam that really gives you a lot of space to entertain. A full fold down transom seat. At the prep station here, we have a couple of different combinations. This particular one is outfitted with the additional live well, the refrigerator, and storage. Also note that you have control over everything from your courtesy lights, your live wells, the sure shade that's going to drop all the way back to the transom, all at a push of a button, all at your fingertips without running up to the helm. So the seating capability on this boat may seem limited at first. There's really more than meets the eye. Our second row of seats is a great example of that. When utilizing the prep station, she's folded down while we're running and entertaining our guests. She folds up to reveal 3 wide seating with your own air conditioning. There are so many features on the 42 Outrage, it can almost be a little daunting at first for someone who kind of just steps right on board and they don't know what they're looking at. Now, Boston Whaler does a great job of keeping the ease of use at the highest possible level. For example, where do you turn on the switch for the live well? Now, we have a hard switch at the prep station, but what if we're up here at the helm, or what if we want to turn on the cabin lights without going down below, or turn on the fresh water pump? Well, that can all be done via your Raymarine screens here. Again, example, if I wanted to turn on my live well pump, it's a push of a button. If I wanted to turn on my aft bilge pump, push of a button. And that's for all of your features throughout the boat. Everything down to wiper blades, air conditioning in the cabin, it's all right here. And like I said, it just makes it easy. So you guys found me in my favorite seat in the house. This is the bow of the 42 Outrage. What more could you want? You have 3 wide seating on the chase lounger behind me. Fold up backrests that I'm utilizing right here, 2 of which, one on either side. And really the coolest part is I can control the volume of the stereo from up here. So guys, that's a sneak peek kind of at what the 42 Outrage has to offer. I'm a huge fan of the boat. I'd love to have you down here. Come check one out. I'd be glad to give you a personal walkthrough. We're right here in downtown Naples. Again, my name is Bob McIntosh. If you'd like to schedule a showing, best way to reach me is at 215-501-2473.